guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy. I have my $10 subscription and my Glam Bag Plus. I got them both today actually. Usually they come like a week apart, but today I got both of them. So we're going to unbox them. If you guys want to see what's in my bags for September, then just keep on watching. Alright, so getting started with my $10 bag. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. It has like a little crystal on the end. I wonder if it's supposed to give me like good energy, a good life. Let's see what the theme is. It says, find your light. And then inside here we have, I don't know what this is, some kind of black pen. All right, so this is a matte liquid lipstick from the brand La Beaute Fatale. Okay, so it has a brush tip on one side, and then the other side, Moment of Truth for the lip color. Oh my God, did I break? I totally broke it. Hang on, let's try that again. All right, wait a minute, I totally broke it. So this side is not supposed to come off. You're supposed to twist this up, I believe, and the product will come out. Hopefully one day it will come out. So I actually just twisted it up like 45 times and now it's all coming up. I feel like this is actually a really gorgeous color. I love colors like this. And it's actually interesting that it says it's a matte liquid lipstick because of course I applied a ton, but the consistency doesn't, maybe it will dry down, but the consistency is like very creamy, like a regular lipstick. I actually wanted to find a lip color like this to wear with my shirt today. If you guys are curious about my shirt, I got it on Amazon for like $15. It was one of those like midnight purchases because I'm like, what if I ever have to go to like a 90s themed party and I should probably buy this shirt. Maybe I'll throw myself a 90s themes party for like my birthday, but anyways, I'll wear this lipstick with this shirt. I think that would be super cute. I've never heard of that brand. And I don't think that this is necessarily like a matte liquid lipstick because it wasn't like drying down on my hand. But it is a pretty color. The shade of this lipstick is called Tough Love. So now I know not to break my makeup. Oh, okay. So this is all Madison Miller and Ofra. I love Madison Miller. She's the sweetest person ever. She's like a total sweetheart. I'm so excited. So she collabed with Ofra, and this is a highlighter in the shade of Moon Dance. And this is kind of like a really light gold, like a white gold highlight. Oh, that is so pretty. That is like a gorgeous inner corner highlight. I think this is a little light for my complexion for a cheek highlight, but I think I can like blend it in with another highlighter, but I will totally wear this as an inner corner highlight. Like this is kind of like my favorite shade for that, or even as an eyeshadow color. Ofra highlighters, so good, super pigmented, super creamy, blinding highlights, and I'm so into blinding highlights right now. So this is a full-size highlighter in the $10 bag, which is awesome. I know that Madison's also an Ipsy creator, so maybe that's part of why we're getting like the full size in the bag, but I'm happy about it because I think Ofra highlighters are like $25. All right, so next up we have, oh, okay, cool. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow, and it's actually like in my shade. I got the shade 4.5, and I typically go between like 4 and 5. So 4.5 is perfect. It's a neutral, a deep brown. I'll put a little in my brow right now, actually. Oh, this is so cute, it's a little baby. I feel like I need to protect it and not break it like I did with that liquid lipstick. Okay, so this is actually like the same size wand as a regular full size. Oh, this is like a totally amazing size product to throw in like a clutch or a purse. I love Benefit Gimme Brow. I've used this a ton. I've gone through several of these, and I'm so happy that I actually got like a correct shade. So far so good with my bag. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. This is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Sleep Mask. Watermelon Sleep Mask. This is just in a loose container. I think it just has like a little plastic on top, but I don't want to open it. I know it smells like watermelon, but I don't want to open it and have it like spill out. But I want to say this is maybe like 2 to 3 uses, which I think is decent, especially for a product that I've been wanting to try anyways, and I actually really want to try more from Glow Recipe. Definitely happy about the sleep mask. I've also been wanting to try out the watermelon spray from Glow Recipe too. I just love like fruit scented everything in the world. And then lastly, the name just weirded me out. Mushaboom Pressed eyeshadow. All right, so this is kind of like a smoky grayish shade. Let's see, the texture actually feels really nice. I don't really wear shades like this. That might actually be pretty with like a really like orangey crease, like a really contrasting crease. But yeah, not my most exciting shade. I don't know, actually, when I see it like reflected a little bit, it looks more and more interesting. So we'll see, we'll play around with that. It actually does feel like very satin and silky and like creamy. All right, so that is everything in my $10 subscription bag. I really can't complain because I have a full-size Ofra highlighter, which is double the value of the whole bag. Getting into my $25 Glam Bag Plus. And I know I went on the Ipsy site and they have like another, like even more expensive bag. I think it might be $40 or $50. Kind of like BoxyCharm Luxe, Boxy Luxe. I feel like they're doing another thing like that. So I didn't even really look into it too much, but I just saw there was a new option for another box from Ipsy. All right, so the first thing I actually see in here is another product from the Ofra and Madison Miller collab. This is a face palette, it looks like. Let's see. Oh, I totally wanna, I don't even know what this looks like, but I'm already excited just because I think Madison's so sweet. And I want to see what she made. All right, so this is a trio face palette. It has a blush and then 2 highlighter shades. This is actually like a really nice setup. Ooh, it's like a pink and a purple highlight. And then kind of like a terracotta blush. And then it has a mirror on the inside as well. So those are all 3 shades. Those are all so pretty. I'm excited about this. I'm so happy for Madison, and this is gorgeous. I love this brand. And so you guys know the value of that face palette is $35, which is already more than the box itself. And then next up, this is Ciate. This is the Ciate translucent powder. I don't know if I've heard of this, but this is the Extraordinary translucent powder. So here is what the packaging looks like. It's a full-size translucent powder. Let me know if you guys have tried this out, because I'm not even sure that I've heard of this product. I haven't really tried too much from Ciate. I think I just have like a full-size liquid lipstick that I got recently in an Ipsy. Next up, this is from the brand APTO Skincare. Not really sure how to say it, but I've never heard of this skincare brand, and it's a pomegranate mask for all face types. So here is the packaging. It retails for $36. It says on it, yeah, you just leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse off. It seems pretty standard for a face mask. I haven't heard of that brand, so let me know if you have or if you've tried it out or if it's like you've seen it in stores, because I've never heard of it. And then next up, this is from Illamasqua, and this is a lipstick from them. And this might be a shade I like. This is the shade Solar. So this shade's actually a lot brighter than I expected. I expected it to be like a little bit more like peach of a color. And this is very, very bright. So definitely gonna use this shade with some like orange toned eyeshadow. And this one retails for $27. What's up with these like super expensive lipsticks? All right, so lastly we have this eyeshadow palette, and it's special edition for Ipsy from Nomad Cosmetics. And it's the Nomad times Berlin Underground palette. Oh, these are actually really pretty, like earthy toned shades. All right, so here is the palette. The colors are actually like not that exciting to me. I don't even really want to swatch it. I'd rather keep it new and probably pass it along because I just don't see myself using these color schemes. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. That's how I felt about like the Ipsy collab with Tetris. I didn't even want to open that palette. It just seemed very muted to me. Other palettes I've gotten in Ipsy lately have been better. Like I got like my Huda Beauty highlighter palette that I actually really like, but these random eyeshadow palettes haven't been drawn to. And this one retails for $37. All right, so that's everything in my Glam Bag Plus, and the value is $157. I just unboxed my BoxyCharm a couple days ago, and it's around the same value. It was $161, so this is pretty much like the same value in my Glam Bag Plus. For sure, the 2 Madison Miller Ofra products that I got in both my regular Ipsy and my Glam Bag Plus are like my favorite 2 things that I got that made like both of them super worth it. I am excited about the powder from Ciate. I will use the face mask. I always like a face mask, but I have a lot in my collection and I haven't heard of this brand, so it's not something that I was like super excited about, but the Oprah products for sure made like everything worth it to me. I'm really excited to try those out, and I actually think I'm gonna like love them and use them a ton. All right guys, so that is everything for both of my Ipsy bags. Let me know what you guys got in your bags this month in the comments down below. And I will link everything that I'm wearing below. My earrings, my shirt are both from Amazon. They will be linked below. If you're curious about my eyeshadow, it is this, and it will be my next video this weekend. And I'm very excited about this palette. I can let you guys know that, and you will be seeing lots of tutorials on my Instagram with that palette because there is a lot going on here for sure. So excited. ColourPop So Jaded, that's coming next. But that is everything for today. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.